Welcome to JanaG channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.
I'm inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in blue. Cross out the ones who hypnotize and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to face reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I'm inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinny than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath, feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Be faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. Music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got 1 too many quarters in my pocket. Spun 'em like the belly clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.